Hello friends, so now we are going to discuss the second method to find out solution of any given quadratic equation, and that method is called as formula method, where we will use a standard formula to find out the solution of given quadratic equation. And this method basically consists of three steps. Step number one is to compare the given quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After comparing, you will get value of a, you will get value of b, and you will get value of c. After getting these three values, there comes second step, that is to find out the value of delta. Delta is also called a discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. So second step is to find out b square minus 4ac. Then comes third step, that is substitute the given value of a, b, c and delta in the formula, which is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So all the values whatever we have got, we have to substitute that value in this given formula and simplify that to get the value of quadratic equation. So remember the three steps. First step, comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form to get the value of a, b and c. Second step, to find out b square minus 4ac, which is called as discriminant. And then third step is to substitute all the values in the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Now we will solve two examples based upon this method. I have taken first example, which is 3x square plus 2 root 5x minus 5. As I told you, the first step is comparing the given equation. You have to compare given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So ax square will be compared with x square. So you will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 root 5 and c is equal to minus 5. So that is your first step. Second step is to find out value of b square minus 4ac. Here you must take care of the negative sign. That means what? It is a b square minus 4a into c. The many time what mistake everybody does is multiplication. So when you are multiplying these two, you have to remember this is minus and this is minus 5. So minus minus is what? Plus. So you will get 2 square is 4. This is 5 minus minus plus, and this will be how much? 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So you will get 20 plus 60, that is equal to 80. So we have got b square minus 4ac is equal to 80. Now we will substitute this first step and second step in the formula. So we can say therefore roots of quadratic equation is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So you have got x is equal to, what is the value of minus b? It is 2 root 5. So minus 2 root 5 plus minus under root 80 upon 2 into a. So what is the value of a? Value of a is 3. Of course we can simplify this. Minus 2 root 5 plus minus, this is 16 into 5 upon 6. So you will get 2 root 5 plus minus 4 root 5 divided by 6. So we can see root 5 is common here. So root 5, 2 plus minus 4 divided by 6. So at one time you have to take plus, other time you have to take minus. Remember there is a minus. So we can simplify this now. What we will get? Root 5 minus 2 minus 4 divided by 6 or root 5 minus 2 plus 4 divided by 6. So we will get root 5 minus 6 divided by 6, or we will get root 5 2 divided by 6. So simplify this. This is root 5, or it is root 5 by 3. So at the end we have tried. Therefore, roots of quadratic equation are minus root 5 and root 5 by 3. So what we have done? We have taken the example of 3x square plus 2 root 5x minus 5. We have compared that equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. We got the value of a, b and c, and we have substituted those values in the b square minus 4ac to get the value of discriminant. And then the root of quadratic equation is given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute in the formula and simplify them. So this is the first sum what we have seen on the basis of formula method. Okay, so let's look at the another example to solve this quadratic equation, that is 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square. What we will do here? We have to compare this equation with the standard form, that is we can say comparing with standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What we will get? A is equal to 3a square, b is equal to 8ab, and c is equal to 4b square. That is the value of a, b and c. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square is 8ab square minus 4bc. So let's simplify. 8 square is 64, a square, b square. You will get here minus 48, a square, b square. So what we have to do? We have to simplify this. If you simplify, you will get 60 a square, b square. So we have got value of b square minus 4ac, and we have got value of ab and c. Now therefore third step is substitute in the formula. Therefore roots of quadratic equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is the root of quadratic equation. Now substitute all the value. Minus b, so minus 8ab plus minus b square minus 4ac is 60a square b square divided by 2a. What is the value of a? 3a square. So simplify this. Minus 8ab plus minus 16a square b square is equal to 4ab. That is square root of 4 upon 2 into 3 is 6a square. Now we can have two values from here. One is of plus, other is of minus. So x can be minus 8ab plus 4ab upon 6a square, or x can be minus 8ab minus 4ab upon 6a square. So here you will get x can be minus 4ab upon 6a square, or your x can be minus 12ab upon 6a square. Obviously we can simplify this. X is equal to, a will cancel with a, this is 2 and this is 3, so minus 2b upon 3a, or x can be 6 2 ja, this is 1, minus 2b upon a. So these are two roots of given quadratic equation. So what we have done? We have followed simple basic steps, that is comparing standard equation finding ABC, finding value of discriminant and substituting in the formula. In the both sum, what we have seen, the standard form of equation already given. That means the equation was already in the quadratic form. But many times the question is asked where equation is not in the quadratic form, like this one. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 3. In such case, you have to first transform the equation in the quadratic form. So what you have to do? Cross multiply x minus 2 minus x into x minus 2 is equal to 3. You will get, this is plus x, this is minus x, this will get cancelled. Minus 2 upon x square minus 2x is equal to 3 upon 1. So cross multiplication give you 3x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2. So it is 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have got quadratic equation. Okay? So since we have got quadratic equation, we will compare this equation with the standard form. So comparing with, you have to compare with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 2. Then find out b square minus 4ac. You will get b square minus 4a into c. So minus 6 square is 36 and minus this is 24. You will get 12. Therefore, roots of quadratic equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we'll substitute in the formula. X is equal to minus b. So minus 6 plus minus b square minus 4 is 12 divided by 2 into a. A is what? 3. So this is equal to 6 plus minus 4 into 3 divided by 6. We will simplify this. X is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 6. We can have 2 common. 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 6. This 2 will get cancelled. You will get 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 3. So here you have got 2 roots. So roots of quadratic equation is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3 or 3 minus root 3 by 3. These two are called as roots of quadratic equation. So what you have to do? Follow 3 simple steps. Comparing with standard, find out value of b square minus 4ac and substituting in the formula and simplify that to get the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we are going to discuss about another topic, that is the value of discriminant and nature of root. The name of topic is the value of discriminant and the nature of root. So what is discriminant? To get that value, we have to first compare the given equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and then get the value of a, value of b and value of c. Once you have got value of a, b and c, substitute that value to get the value of b square minus 4ac, which is called as discriminant or it is called as delta. This is called as discriminant because on the basis of that we can decide the nature of root, where your roots are real and unequal, or roots are not exist. Okay, so find the value of b square minus 4ac and whatever value you get here, based upon that value we can say if that value is more than 0, that means if discriminant is more than 0, then roots are real and unequal. If your discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If your discriminant is less than 0, then no real root exists. That is why this value of delta is called as discriminant. you are discriminating the nature of root on the basis of value you are getting. So more than 0, roots are real and unequal. Equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And if it is less than 0, that means no real root exists. So what we will do now, we will solve two examples based upon this and decide what is the nature of root. So let's look at this. First example is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. As we know, first step is to comparing with our standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 3. Then the second step comes, find out b square minus 4ac. So minus 5 square minus 4a into c. Minus 5 square is 25. This is 4 to 8, 3 is 24. So you are getting 25 minus 24 is 1. So your delta or d is more than 0. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. How we decided this? Because we know the value of d is more than 0. Next one, comparing this given equation, comparing with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 2 root 2, c is equal to minus 2 root 3. So we have got value of a, b and c. Now find out b square minus 4ac. So 2 root 2, that is b square minus 4a into 2. So what we have got? Square of 2 is 4, square of root 2 is 2. This minus minus become plus. Now 4 into 2 is 8 and root 3 is root 3 square. So 8 plus 8 into 3 will get 8 plus 24, that is equal to 32. Again here the value of b square minus 4ac, or you can say d, is more than 0. Therefore roots are real and unequal. So two type of question they may ask here. First is to find out value of discriminant. If the value of discriminant is asked, you just find out b square minus 4ac and stop at that point once you get value of b square minus 4ac. Suppose question is asked, find the nature of root. Then find out the value of b square minus 4ac and then compare and find out whether it is more than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0 and decide the nature of root. Here we are going to talk about how to find the value of k if the value of discriminant is known or if the nature of root is known. The type of question they ask is to find out the value of k if the roots of equation are real and equal. So if the roots of equation are real and equal, that means the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So this question may be asked for 2 marks or maybe asked for 5 marks. So based upon that, we have to simplify that. So suppose the equation given is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So first of all is to compare. You have to compare this equation, comparing this equation with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. So we can write b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because roots are real and equal. It is given roots are real and equal, so we can take b square minus 4ac as 0. So minus 2k square minus 4a into c is equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. We can see here 4k is common, k minus 6 is equal to 0. So either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. These are the two values of k. Either value of k is 0 or value of k is 6. Another equation, also question in the same line is x square minus 8x plus k, where roots are real and equal, and you have to find out the value of k. So we are comparing with, we have to compare this, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to k. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Reason you have to write because roots are real and equal. It is given. So b square minus 8 square minus 4a into c is equal to 0. So you will get 64 minus 4k is equal to 0. So it is 64 is equal to 4k. So 64 upon 4 is equal to k. So it is 16 is equal to k. That is how we get value of k. Another equation which may come for 3 marks or 5 marks is, you can see written here, question number 3, k plus 1x square is equal to 2k plus 3 bracket close into x plus k plus 8. The method remains same, but in such kind of sum, many times you will get quadratic equation in the term of k, which you need to simplify either by formula method or by factorization method. So first step, same, comparing with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get a is equal to k plus 1, b is equal to 2k plus 3, and c is equal to k plus 8. So you got value of a, b and c. Now we will substitute in the formula of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 2k plus 3b whole square, use proper bracket, minus 4a into c is equal to 0. We can see here square of 2 is 4. This is k square plus 6k plus 9. We have applied the formula of a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 4, multiply them. K square 8k plus k plus 8 is equal to 0. So you get 4k square, 4 into 6 is 24k, 4 into 9 is 36, minus 4, k square 9k plus 8 is equal to 0. Simplify this. 4k square plus 24k plus 36 minus 4k square, 4 9 ja 36k, 4 8 ja 32 is equal to 0. We can see here we have plus 4k square minus 4k square. These two will get cancelled. Then 24k and 36k. 24 minus 36 is minus 12k. Then 36 minus 32 is plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 12k is equal to minus 4, minus minus cancel. 12k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 4 by 12. So k is equal to 1 by 3. That is how we can get the value of k if value of discriminant is known or if the nature of root is known. Very simple step. Compare with standard form of equation. Find out ABC. Since it is given roots are real and equal, that value of delta will be 0. Since the value of delta is 0, you can put the value of B, A, C and simplify them to get the value of k.